Alright guys, here we are, Model Rocks 321 at the San Diego Air and Space Museum. I don't know if you can see up in front of me, but we have an SR-71 Blackbird. Check that out. I'm not sure if it's a mock-up or what. It might be just a mock-up or a big model. It seems to not have some details, I'm not sure. But nonetheless, it's a big SR-71 Blackbird, and that's cool. Model Rocks 321. We're going to check out this museum and see what it does. So let's do it. Look at that as we come up on the SR-71 Blackbird. And another Navy fighter, like a Navy fighter of some sort. SR-71 Blackbird out here. Oh, there's a line out here waiting as this little rain falls. It's raining, but it's like mist. A little mist. SR-71 Blackbird. Oh yeah, it looks. They seem to be all sealed up. Like I say, they sealed it all up just to display it. But yeah, not bad, not bad. All right, so here we are inside San Diego Air and Space Museum. Just checked out SLS. They have a display here with the SLS right here. All Boeing stuff. We got some vintage planes up there. The Wright Model EX above me. Wright brothers. There's your flying car. Aeromobile 3.0 makes this a premiere flight in 2014. There's the Bell X1, Chuck Yeager. It says where dreams take flight. So now we're gonna go in here. Looks like some Mercury capsule up above. Supposed space program stuff. Yep. There's that Little Joe 2 capsule. Make Little Joe 1 capsule. Only one tunnel designs of the shuttle. Mercury capsule. All those fine details. I want to get it just right. Good. Old command model. Check out those nozzles. Looking around, and we got some Gemini stuff here. Gemini capsule.
When I was growing up, I loved to collect little things like gadgets and
Saturn 1B. Big satellite up there. Pretty cool museum. Apollo mission knife. Apollo 11 pin. Space shuttle wheels, Michelin. I always thought they were Goodyear, but these are Michelin. And here's Space Shuttle Challenger. Armstrong. Go ahead and launch. Go, guys. We have liftoff.
Copy, and ECL, you copy.
Alright guys, and here we have tail fin for the SR-71 Blackbird. We got the Skunkworks logo on there. Check that out. Check that out. Titanium. SR-71 rudder, that's what it is, a rudder. That's cool. Wow. How cool is that? Now you can really see sled driver. Wow. SR-71 Blackbird rudder. Yeah, because it's all one piece. How cool is that? Could be a door, it could be something. Alright guys, so we are in this room at Space Day. Just have a lot of like experiments and cool stuff, like different people, different booths. It's real cool. I've talked to a few people, collected a few things. We're just gonna, oh, something's flying over, loud. There's a nice saber up there, look like. Saber or Fury, it's one or the other. But yeah, we have some real cool stuff going on here. Glad we have a Vulcan Celsior, some rocketry stuff here. Hey, how you doing?
No, I can't.
All right, yeah, well, you're indoors, so you're good. What we got here?
So we are
This is cool.
students for the exploration and development of space. We are a rocket team at UC San Diego.
I love it.
So this is like an undergrad and some graduate students as well.
Yeah.
We build rockets.
So do I. This is cool. Yeah, I'm a huge rocket nerd. I got a YouTube and an Instagram and all that stuff. This is cool.
I know, it's dope.
So we're gonna I'm gonna put you guys on my YouTube if you don't mind.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna shout you out. I got you. But then I'm gonna look at some. We're gonna get stickers. Check that out. There's a sticker which I'm gonna probably take and put on my water bottle.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Feel free to take many stickers.
Okay, for sure. Let me shut this down. Bottle Rocks 321 guys. We're here with a Dope team. Check that out right there. You guys can go follow. We'll talk to them in a minute. We're gonna take a look at this stuff. Be right back.